Today we are doing part B, economic importance of fungi. Let's go. Question C. Short answer type. First one, define the terms. A. Fermentation. B. Spawning. Answers showing on screen. A. Fermentation is a process in which the microorganisms, yeast and bacteria, break down carbohydrates into simpler products, ethanol or lactic acid, in the absence of oxygen. B. Spawning is defined as introduction of mushroom seed or mycelium of selected mushroom into compost. Second one, where can the mold Rhizopus be most easily found? Answers showing on screen. Rhizopus is the common bread mold. It grows not only on bread but also on a variety of other organic matter such as cloth, wood, paper, leather goods, animal dung. In food materials, pickles, bread, fruit, chapati etc. They specifically occur in humid and warm climatic conditions. Third one, write the chemical equation of fermentation. Answers showing on screen. The chemical equation of fermentation is dash 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 dash. Fourth one, name 3 vitamins which are richly found in mushrooms. Answers showing on screen. 3 vitamins which are richly found in mushrooms are 1. Niacin, 2. Pantothenic acid, 3. Biotin. Fifth one, describe the role of certain fungi in industrial production. Answers showing on screen. Used to prepare wine and alcohol. Used in the cultivation of mushroom. First one, used to prepare enzymes. Second one, used to prepare antibiotics. Third one, used to prepare alcoholic beverages. Fourth one, used to prepare bakery products and fermented foods. Fifth one, used to prepare organic acids. Sixth one, differentiate between a. Saprophyte and parasite. Answers showing on screen. Saprophyte and parasite. Characteristics. Definition. Parasite. Individuals of one species that live at the expense of individuals from another species, called hosts. Saprophyte. Organisms that feed on decaying dead organic matter and break it down into simple molecules that can be used by the autotrophs. Characteristics. Food source. Parasite. Obtained from host without killing it. Saprophyte. Obtained from decaying entities. Characteristics. Feeding. Parasite. Feeds with vital products from the host or parts of its body. Saprophyte. Feeds with decaying dead organic matter. B. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration with regard to the products formed. Answers showing on screen. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration with regard to the products formed. Aerobic respiration. It occurs in presence of oxygen. The products formed are water and carbon dioxide. Anaerobic respiration. It occurs in absence of oxygen. The end products are ethanol or lactic acid and carbon dioxide. Question D. Long answer type. First one, discuss the role of yeasts in bakeries and breweries. Answers showing on screen. During the baking process, yeast added to the dough ferments sugar and produces carbon dioxide. This causes the dough to rise, and when it is baked, the gas bubbles expand, causing the bread to be spongy and light. Hence yeast is used in bakeries. The greatest importance of yeast to us is through their property of alcoholic fermentation. Fermentation is the process in which the microorganisms like yeast break down the carbohydrates into simpler products like ethanol and lactic acid. This alcohol is of great commercial importance. Hence, yeast is used in breweries to produce beer and wine from barley maltose and grapes, respectively. 2. 1. Write in proper sequence the 5 major steps in the cultivation of the common edible mushroom. Answers showing on screen. 5 major steps in the cultivation of common edible mushrooms are. First one, composting. Composting involves mixing of various components such as 1. Paddy straw or wheat. 2. Organic and inorganic fertilizer. 3. Chicken manure. The temperature of the compost is kept for about 1 week under 50 degrees Celsius. 2. 1. Spawning. Mushroom seed, in the form of mycelium of mushroom to be grown, is introduced into the heap of compost and left for spreading for around 2 days. 3. 1. Casing. It is an important step wherein a thin layer of soil is spread over the compost. It 1. Gives support to the mushroom. 2. Prevents quick drying of the compost. 3. Provides humidity. 4. Assists to check temperature. Fourth one, cropping and harvesting. The growth occurs in 3 principal stages. 1. Mycelium grows within 2 to 6 weeks. 2. Tiny pinheads. 3. Button stage grows bigger, attaining marketable size. 4. Fully grown mushrooms are taken out. Fifth one, preservation. Shelf life of mushroom can be increased by the following processes. 1. Vacuum cooling. 2. Storing at 15 degrees Celsius and giving gamma radiation. 3. Freeze drying in a solution of ascorbic acid, citric acid, and brine etc. 3. And 1. Would you consider the bacteria and yeast as plants? Give reason. Answers showing on screen. We cannot consider bacteria and yeast as plants. The reasons for it are as given below. 1. They lack chlorophyll, except a few bacteria. Their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic instead of autotrophic. 2. Fungi is multicellular, but it is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Fourth one, both bacteria and yeast reproduce by asexual method, but how does this method differ in them? Answers showing on screen. Bacteria reproduces by cell division or binary fission. The circular DNA duplicates. The cell expands and the two DNA are pulled apart. The cell constricts at the middle, separating the two cells. Fungi like yeast reproduce by budding. In budding, a small bud or daughter cell is formed on the parent cell. The bud continues to grow until it separates from the parent cell, forming a new cell. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel for more answers.